1 2 1 2. We ready? We ready? Yo, what up? What up? Oh man, this fitted is amazing. That is a good curve. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. So, very special video for you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you how, well, as of lately, how I've been curving my brims. It's using a cup, some steam. It's my method. I'm pretty sure people have done it before me, but this is what I've been doing lately. I like to wear my hats, my fitted hats, with a curve. It's just how I prefer them. I don't like wearing the flat brims, but if you do, that's totally fine. It's your hat, wear it how you like. Let me know in the comments if you like rocking the flat brim, the slight curve on your brim, or a curve. But you know, we all love fitted hats, and we can wear our hats however we like. So no hate, nothing but love. Anyways, fitted of the day. So I just got this hat in today, and it's fire. I curved it up and I was like, man, this is one of my best curves of all time. Anyways, this is the Chicago Cubs. Boom, boom, all corduroy besides the UV, but gray UV. This is from Stash1250, and it's from Ty from Stash1250. Regular roll tie on IG. He designed this hat, he cooked it up, and it came out fire. Go check him out. He's definitely creating some dope fitted hats for the community. This is the Chicago Cubs script logo. You don't really see this logo too often, so that's why I love this fitted hat. He did another one of it, and it's called the Catalina Cubs. It's burnt orange crown, brim, tan UV, and that one was amazing as well. But out of the two, this one is definitely my favorite. My very first corduroy fitted of the year. My very first corduroy fitted of ever. I mean, it's my first one. I've had corduroy snapbacks. I love the material, but you know, corduroy has been really in lately, and I can see why. Like, it's an awesome material. It looks dope great for the winter time, and yeah. Anyways, I have the Chicago White Sox as well from Stash1250. Shout out to them once again. I'm gonna be curving this up for you guys, and how I do my brims is I use the cup, I use the steamer. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, everyone, once again, this is a curving tutorial, or how I like to curve my brims. On the left, we got it curved already. It's the Chicago Cubs script logo. On the right, we got the Chicago White Sox. And this one, or both of these, are actually from Stash1250. When I got the box, I got this dope wrapping paper, customized wrapping paper with it. But yeah, I paid these with my own money. So definitely shout out to Stash1250, dope store out in Chicago. But man, one more look at this here. The Cubs script logo, raised embroidery, very nice. The corduroy is super dope, and it fits perfect. So curved this immediately once I got it in today. This is the one we'll be curving. Yeah, and if you have a curving method or preferred curving style that you like to do, or how you like to curve your brims, please drop it in the comments. But we're about to turn this hat into this. Let's go. All right, so to do this curving method, you're going to need a coffee mug and a steamer. So the coffee mug is my fiance's. I don't know the diameter, but I do know it's 4x4. It's a big coffee mug. I prefer using a bigger one so the curve isn't too curved once you're, you know, done doing this method. But big coffee mug. This steamer is from Con Air. It's called the Extreme Steam, I believe, and I got it from Target. But yeah, Extreme Steam. Shout out to the homies Ron Too Fresh and Notorious, my friends that put me on this steamer. It's an amazing one. Love it. Okay, so boom, let's set it right there. Now you can go ahead and just put it in the cup. Put this hat in the cup and just wait overnight, and it should work. But I like my my method where I steam it a little bit, I curve it, and it gets, you know, gets curved right away. But this is the more, I would say, convenient way to do it. But if you have more time, definitely you can leave it overnight. Okay, well, so what we're gonna do first right now, I'm trying to get this sticker off. Oh man, okay, little work here, but you know, the sticker is cool. I just don't like wearing them. I think I actually don't mind the stickers. It's just that the more time the sticker's on there as you wear the hat, once you remove that sticker, you might get that, you know, that circle. And I don't like that, so I just take it off right away once I wear it. Anyways, amazing hat. You got this Chicago White Sox logo. Pretty dope logo. I know it's one of the really older ones, but you don't see it too often. I'm glad Ty and Stash1250 used it on this hat. It's awesome, man. Okay, so sometimes I like to leave the baseball sticker there, the official product of MLB. We'll go ahead and leave it, but let's go ahead and get started. So I have it on high heat with this steamer, and I use distilled water, or you can use, you know, purified water. Some people just use, you know, water from the sink, and I guess that's fine, but with that, I know, you know, water from the sink isn't the cleanest, so it could stain your hat. Just be aware. By using distilled or purified water, it's a little bit cleaner. Well, it's a lot cleaner than the water from the sink. That's why. So I'm gonna steam this for about 30 seconds, right? Or until you feel the brim start to get soft. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna turn the steamer off. I'm gonna get the cup, and I'm just gonna push in like this. I'm gonna make sure these two ends line up. Yeah. Push it in a little bit more. Boom. This is how I curve my brims. It's done. Pretty much I'll wait maybe a minute before I pull it out, but I mean, definitely I like letting the steam, you know, evaporate. I like letting the, you know, the curve mold to the cup, or the curve of the cup. And man, I can't wait to see what this looks like. But yeah, do this for your hats if you want that curved brim. I'm about to pull it out here, and you're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just pop. Once again, about a minute in. So pretty curved, right? Boom. It's pretty curved. What I like to do, loosen it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw it on. Boom. There we go. This hat does run a little bit bigger than the Chicago Cubs I was wearing earlier, but still, you can't deny that's a good curve on the brim. So yeah, man, I love this cup curve method. Once again, all you need is a coffee mug. I use a 4x4 coffee mug, and then I get the steamer. You need a steamer. I use either purified water or distilled water. Keep the water clean. That's just how I do it. And you steam the brim for about 30 seconds. Then you put the hat inside the cup, and then you leave it there for about 30 seconds to a minute. You take it out. It's gonna have a beautiful curve if it's like a coffee mug like this. And you wear that hat. You know, wear your fitteds. You wear it all day, all night. It's gonna have a great curve on it. And I mean, I've been doing this for about, I don't know how long, but I've been doing it almost on every hat, this method, and the cup curve never disappoints. So that's why I love it so much. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know how you guys curve your hats if you do. But more videos like this on the way, more collection videos, more review videos, pickup videos. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and like and comment, share the video as well. But once again, I'm Rahnni Fitteds. Thank you guys so much for checking it out, and have a great day. Peace.